So we're here at the AT&T Center, and what we did in this particular conference room, we put up a Casper graphic on the outside with all the blocks, but the inside is where it's a little bit different because it's a cloaking film. And what that does is it allows you to see in and out, but any time there's a TV screen in here, it blocks the screen from viewing it. So you can look in just clearly, but as soon as you get to the TV, it's completely black.
So why would a company want to do that?
My guess is when they had conferences, they might have confidential stuff on the TV, because this seems like a place where there's multiple businesses that are coming together, so they probably don't want someone whose eyes shouldn't be watching the TV. So that's basically what we did here. It's a little bit tricky to install it, but we got it.